Good day, Kamsuans. Now I discuss about the Sustainable Development Goals or SDG. SDG is a dynamic platform dedicated to showcasing the creativity, passion, and leadership of students committed to building a more sustainable and equitable world. Wrote in 17 global goals set by the United Nations, this expo brings together projects and initiatives that directly align with efforts to tackle critical global challenges, from climate action and clean energy to equality education and gender equality. Innovative solutions designed and implemented by the students that address one or more SDGs. This may include community outreach programs, environmental campaigns, health and wellness initiative, or educational tools. These drive prototypes, eco-friendly designs, and research-based models that demonstrate practical pathways to sustainable living and responsible development. And also initiatives that begin at the school or community level but have the potential to scale or inspire similar efforts worldwide, and recognize the contribution of students as active agents of change in achieving the SDGs. Create a space for students, educators, NGOs, and policymakers to engage in meaningful dialogue and explore partnership, and also encourage others to adopt sustainable practices and develop their own initiatives based on the showcase work. The SDG Expo is more than a presentation, it's a call to action. By placing students at the forefront, we highlight the crucial role young minds playing in shaping a better future. Their passion, ideas, and determination are proof that sustainable is not just a goal, it's a movement powered by next generation. Also, thank you.